Hi guys, Alicia here, your Close to My Heart independent consultant, and I am here today with a little unboxing, a little Close to My Heart haul. It's not very big. So here is the Holiday Expressions catalog. You get one free catalog per quarter when you order with Close to My Heart. So here is my free one. I love this catalog. A lot of holiday stuff, Thanksgiving stuff. Oh, it's just gorgeous. So I got that, and I got some other really fun things. So what I'm really excited about, I got the Story by Stacy short story workbook. I actually got two of these because I want to make some for Christmas presents. And I'm going to open this up off of camera and lay everything out. That way you don't have to listen to the bag crinkle. So give me just a second. Okay, so here is everything that comes in the kit. This is the black and white one. Oh, look at that green, gorgeous. So it has two little rings, and it fits these really cute 6x6 memory protectors. So it comes with memory protectors. And then let's look at the instructions. So it comes with like a little workbook for you. So it tells you exactly what's in it. So you get the 6x6 album, the 10 memory protectors, 12 sheets of patterned paper, 20 sheets of white daisy cardstock, 4 sticker and die cut sheets, black and white dots. That's these are like the little enamel dots. 1 yard of white twine, black and white gingham ribbon, and this workbook. They suggest having a paper trimmer, journaling pen, adhesive, foam tape, glue dots, and scissors. And then this walks you through how to make your album if you want the help. So write your subject here. And then they tell you to gather 25 to 35 4x6 photos. And it asks you questions that you fill out, and this will just help you write your story. It will help you with your journaling. I mean, how cool is that? They have, you know, they go through visual balance, so it really teaches you some stuff if you're struggling with where to start. Isn't that adorable? And look at this paper. I love the colors in these papers. So this was designed to really go with almost any photo you have. It's the little things that make life big. Aww. So it looks like the standard issue. There's 2 of each sheet. Oh, except for that one, there's 3. Interesting. And they all have, so it's a 6x6 sheet with the 1/2-inch zip strip. So you can cut off the zip strips and you still have, and you're able to use them, you know, in your decoration. And it still tells you what colors are in them: lemon, nectarine, peach, sapphire, white daisy, and willow. Oh, also black, candy apple, and lagoon. So there you go, you guys. How cute is that? Oh, and I should show you. So these are some of the punch outs. Right, cute. And then this is a sticker sheet. That says smile, a little flower. Here's some letter stickers, so you can spell some different things. And then these are punch outs as well. And then all of the white daisy cardstock for backing your pages with. So I'm really looking forward to this. I am going to make some mini scrapbooks for grandparents for Christmas. Woot! So that is the black and white gingham one. And then I also got the lagoon colored one. So all the stuff inside is exactly the same, except for the book is a different color. So let me take that out and I will show you guys that book. Okay, so here is the Lagoon book, and it just has like a black and white inside. Oh, I just love it. So cute. So I am super excited to do those. I will give you guys, I'm sure I will be doing a video on them. The other Story by Stacy item I got is this Story Starter Workshop Kit. So again, let me unpackage it off of camera so you don't have to listen to the crinkle, and I'll show you everything that's inside. Okay, so this is the Story Starter Workbook, and look at how cute this is. So this just has a set number of pages already in it. These are 4 by 4. Oh, and isn't it adorable? And so it comes with some 4 by 4 white daisy cardstock, and some of these have little sayings on them. Oh, can you guys hear that? My pets are doing something downstairs. It's the little things we do and say that mean so much as we go our way. Great stories happen to those who tell them. And then like a little journaling card. You can do it in either direction. Oh, this is your end page. So created with love by, and then you put your little photo there. And then all the rest of these have lines for journaling, where you flip them over. And it's just a white piece of paper. And here is your little workbook for this. So they tell you exactly what's in it. They say you should have a photo trimmer, journaling pen, adhesive, and then I'm going to add to that any bling you want. So for this, you choose a topic, right? Like I've seen one where it's just like ice cream, and it's just somebody going around taking pictures of all the ice cream they've ever had, and it's really cute. So you pick something that's important to you, and it could be a person, it could be a pet, it could be a place, and then you're going to gather all your photos. Anyways, and it walks you through how to do it. So I also got that for a little, to make photos for people for Christmas. And they have different, so this is the striped one. They also have a black and white dot one and a candy apple one. Ooh, and look, you guys, I got the photo trimmer, a 6x6 little self-sharpening bypass blade. I'm super excited about this. So I figured that would be good for these little 6x6 and 4x4 albums. Oh. Close to my heart was out of these for a while, but they finally got them back in the Tombow adhesive refills. I'm super excited about that. I love my little Tombow tape runner. I got just the black exclusive ink pad. This one's water-based. I have been using my Archival black, which is solvent-based. So I figured I'd get this one too, because it's always good to have different types, right? I also got some stamps. I'm super excited about these. I got snug backgrounds. Is it gonna, oops, sorry guys, I have to, let's see, will you, there we go. Snug backgrounds, so how cute are those? So you can make, it's like a real little repeating pattern, and you can make different backgrounds on paper. I got Simply Said Alphabet. So for making little titles and stuff, I figured in the little scrapbooks I'm doing. This is a hostess only stamp set, so you have to have a party or an order that's over $150. But I thought this was cute for making my own little photo placeholders. So it tells you which size photo to do. It has a little camera. But also these little sayings I thought would, again, be cute in these little scrapbooks. Can you guys tell I'm obsessed with these little scrapbooks? And then I also got, this is the November Stamp of the Month set, but because I am a consultant, I get to order it early. Woohoo! That's one of the perks, you guys, of being a consultant. And this is called Seasonal Trees. So you can see the different tree outlines, and then there's the different leaves to put on, and there's little ornaments, cute little bird and birdhouse, super adorable. I'm going to assume that's a bird nest. So, little grass, so cute. That could be your ground. And these are like teeny tiny, so you can make your own ornaments. Oh, and those little stars, that one's gonna be fun. And then I also got another Just Treats September Stamp of the Month set, because I'm gonna do something fun with this later. I'm thinking a giveaway of some kind. Let me know what you guys think about that idea. Okay, and then the last thing I got, I am so excited about this. This is a Cut Above card kit, Holiday Sparkle. And it's gonna make little shaker cards. Let me take everything out of the packaging and I'll lay it all out for you guys to see. Give me a second. Okay, you guys, I have everything laid out. So this is gonna make 12 shaker cards. These are 5x7 cards. So they're not the A2 cards, they're bigger. So those are your envelopes. You get the shaker window foam acetate. So there's enough to make 6 shaker cards in each package. So you have 2, enough to make 12. You get a whole package of the loose silver sequins. These are cute because they have like little, oh, it's gonna focus. Come on, focus. There we go. Can you guys see like the little stars in them? Oh, cute. Okay, so you get the sequins. I got the bundle that included, there's 2 different bundles. I got the one that includes, oh no, I got a sticker stuck to it. It includes the stamp set. Come on. Oh, I'll probably have to glue that one. That's a bummer. It's totally salvageable though. Okay, so I got the one that includes the stamp set. You can also get one without the stamp set. So this is called Love with All the Trimmings. So you can make these without a stamp set. You can totally make these without a stamp set. They're a cut above kit. That means you don't need anything except for adhesive to make them. Do you even need adhesive? These are all stickers. You might not even need anything to make these. So you get 6 May Your Days Be Merry and Bright. So 6 of those. They're blank inside. And then 6 of just these plain ones. Oh, here's the instructions, guys. There you go. So you'll make 6 of those, 6 of those, and then they give you little stickers for your envelopes. How cute. So they lay it out for you exactly how to make them. Oh, so they say you need liquid glass and then just an adhesive. So you can make them exactly how they have them, or of course you can do your own thing. And then the stamp set is just if you want to add extra. So if you want to stamp inside of your card, or if you want to decorate your envelope. But I thought some of these were just so cute. I couldn't pass up this stamp set. This stamp set is exclusive to this kit. So you can't just get the stamp set whenever you want. You have to get the whole kit. And then you can buy extra kits without the stamp set. So it tells you exactly how to make them. Here's all your stickers. So how easy is that? Just sticker. This is like for the outside of your shaker card. They make it super simple. Oh, and then these are just punch outs, so you'll need the glue. Or I would even use, what I like about this, and I'll do these on camera, you guys, so you can see exactly how they work, but our shaker window kit, the inside is pop dots, so you don't waste anything. So you're going to use this little, the outside to make your shaker window, right? You're going to attach the acetate to it. You're going to take off all these little dots, but you can use these dots to pop up everything. So I thought that was pretty clever. You're not wasting anything. Okay, you guys, I think that is it on what I got in this order. It wasn't super huge, but I got some super cool stuff I am so excited about. So be on the lookout for videos using this stuff. And I hope you guys have an excellent day. Bye.